Hey guys, it's Brandy. Welcome back. And today I have a video for you that I'm so excited about. We have a beauty room makeover. So we're going to give you a tour of this room that once was kind of like a storage room. You'll see what it looked like before. And now I'm going to give you a tour of what it looks like after. I'm super excited about this room. I actually love spending time in this room. So this is where I do my makeup in the morning. It also dubs as an office, but it also works as a relaxation room. And you know what? It also works as a room for Natalia. It works also as where my dog sleeps when I'm sleeping, because this room connects to my room. These are two separate rooms. We tore the wall down years ago and really connects to my bedroom. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour and let's go. So this is what I was telling you about, how we tore the room down. This here actually used to be a closet, but this is where I keep like my linen, my towels and things like that. So that's what this little space is. But okay, back to the tour. There is this little space here. This space here, this is kind of where I just have that long mirror. In that mirror, you can see on the side, I added these cute little bulbs. A couple of them broke, so you got to be really careful with those. But overall, you can see how it adds that light. Up here, it also has these string lights that go across, that connects throughout the whole entire side. But this is at the very top. You can see that it says there is beauty all around when there is love at home. So I had a lot of artwork that I created when I was first moving into my home, and I wanted to decorate it and add a personal touch to it. And this painting actually was inspired by a poem called Four Skinny Trees. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that poem, but it's really a beautiful, encouraging poem. And over here is a picture of a flower. And then this is a rose. This is where Natalia lounges sometimes. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like when she's sleeping there. Then I have some like glow bulbs, I guess. I got those actually at the dollar store at 99 cents only. I love them. You can see they add a really, really nice effect. I have this painting that says breathe in life, which I find it very inspirational. Over here, it also says, don't forget to daydream. First created this space. I actually created that space for me to come and sit and relax, but it was perfect for Natalia. over here, we have these like gecko type lizards. This says, embrace the moment. It's truly important to embrace the moment. And then it says, hustle hard, girl. You gotta get your hustle on. When you wanna just come and just relax, this is like a corner. I can just sit here and just relax and chill out. Even taking a few naps in this chair. I love this chair. So let's get up and show you the rest of the room. So I thought I would add these pillows. I did a video on these pillows where I got the covers. I'll put a link where you can find these pillows. And this is where I decided to use them. But this here is called mermaid fabric. You can see how I draped it over that just to add some color. You can see that light, which kind of gives it some illumination that comes up from behind. Here I have these lights. And I got these string lights that you can see that goes up, and it just adds a nice, like a little glow flow to it. You can also see right here these shiny little stickers. They are, what are those things called? No, that's what those things are called. And then these butterflies that you stick, I got some up here on top of this Hello Gorgeous that I found at TJ Maxx. But I added some butterflies, and you can see how they actually are like raised up, so they look like real butterflies. I love that. Light, like the string light, it was actually like those lights that you're supposed to hang pictures on. I found that at TJ Maxx also, but I wanted to use it like that. So I decided to go with this flower. There is beauty all around when there is love at home. This, I created this, and this is actually like a jewelry holder where you can hold your jewelry. So this is just another piece of artwork that I also created. And then I just added some flowers at the bottom, and then I got kind of like my, you know, little glasses. So actually, I never really honestly wear any of these glasses. I think they're really cool. I don't know if you guys can see these glasses. I just thought they were so cool. I had to buy them, but I don't really think that they're practical to use in real life. I just thought they were so cute. Maybe one day I'll wear them. And then over here, this is where I have this desk, and I've had this desk for years, but I actually found another purpose for it, which is to use it for like the storage of like my makeup and where I sit. I do my makeup right here every morning. You can see this picture. I painted that one as well. Then I also have this. I got this at one of these thrift stores. Now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. I agree. Over here, this is where I just have a waterfall here. So I just got these fake flowers. This is where I keep my makeup brushes. Now all the dirty makeup brushes, once I use them, I put them over here, and then these are all the clean makeup brushes. So actually I need to clean them today. You can see there's quite a few in there. So I need to clean my makeup brushes. This is where I keep like my foundations and lipsticks. I got a light, which it actually turns on, and it just adds a little bit more light over here when it's too dark. And then this is just like a pencil holder that I got at Target, but I keep like my mascara, my lip liners and eyeliners in here, so it works great for storage. I have the tripod, and on this side, this is where, actually I did a video before on how I created this mirror, and it works perfectly here. You know, under here I just keep like all of my palettes and mirror and my eyelashes. So this is where I keep like all of my makeup storage underneath here. Up here I just have a bunch of, you know, like inspirational quotes and flowers. Which it says, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. So I think that just about does it for this beauty room tour. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you'll be notified for future videos that I post. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Bye!